The Science of Recovery, Optimizing Post-Exercise Muscle Healing. This important article is authored by the following scientists. This chapter provides an in-depth examination of muscle recovery following exercise, focusing on the complex physiological processes that underlie muscle healing and adaptation. It details the inflammatory response, muscle protein synthesis, and the role of satellite cells, as well as the critical functions of oxygen and nutrient delivery. The chapter integrates traditional recovery practices such as sleep, nutrition, and physical therapies, with advanced interventions including cryotherapy, pneumatic compression, blood flow restriction BFR therapy, low-level laser therapy, hyperbaric oxygen therapy, and electrical muscle stimulation. Emerging technologies, such as wearable sensors and AI-driven recovery platforms, are highlighted for their role in providing personalized recovery strategies. Future trends in genomic and proteomic profiling, along with regenerative medicine approaches like stem cell therapy, are also discussed. Introduction. Recovery is a vital part of athletic training that often doesn't get enough attention. While workouts push the body to its limits, it's during rest that real progress happens, muscles heal, energy is restored, and the body gets stronger. Proper recovery helps reduce fatigue, prevent injuries, and prepare the body for future performance. It's not just about resting, it involves active processes like muscle repair, hormone release, and nutrient replenishment. Traditional recovery methods such as sleep, hydration, and good nutrition remain important, but new technologies like cryotherapy, compression devices, and smart wearables now offer more personalized and effective ways to recover. Whether you're a professional athlete or someone who exercises casually, using the right recovery strategies can boost performance, improve well-being, and support long-term health. This chapter explores how the body recovers and introduces both traditional and cutting-edge recovery techniques that can be integrated into training or rehabilitation programs. Conclusion. Optimizing post-exercise muscle healing is a multifaceted challenge that requires a comprehensive, integrated approach. The interplay of inflammatory responses, satellite cell activation, and metabolic support forms the foundation for effective muscle repair and adaptation. By combining traditional recovery practices, adequate sleep, proper nutrition, and physical therapies with advanced interventions, cryotherapy, pneumatic compression, BFR therapy, laser therapy, HBOT, EMS, and AI-driven recovery protocols, athletes and practitioners can significantly enhance muscle repair, reduce injury risks, and improve overall performance. Ongoing research and technological innovations continue to refine these strategies, paving the way for increasingly personalized recovery protocols that will revolutionize athletic training and rehabilitation. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology, and medicine.